Come sit with Pop-Pop. No, honey, Savannah's got to blow out the birthday cake. Oh, wait, I need to get a picture. Where's my camera?
In your hand.
No, this is my video camera. Whoa. Sorry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Savannah. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha, kumbaya.
All the way from China. Bam.
Would you make a wish? Oh, you gotta blow them out in one.
Come on, blow.
Yay! You made a wish?
Aqua lung. That one with the lunger on is yours.
Ew.
Good job, Hannah. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
You're old and moldy now.
Yep.
Old and decrepit.
You're halfway there.
Wait, you didn't. You gotta wear your hat. Let me get a picture of your hat. Oops, and your
Have
cake.
your own house.
Embarrassing? Come on.
Cute.
I would have put that on a credit card.
There you go. Oh, hold on. I hit the power button. Sorry. Cheese? Let me get one good one. All right, turn the hat. I don't know.
You want to bring it over here and I'll cut it up?
Yeah, Pop-Pop has 2 hands. Jersey ate the tip of the hat. Bitch, stop it. Stop, honey. How was your birthday?
What?
Did you get everything you wanted? What else are you gonna go buy? You got that gift card to that GameStop.
Come here,
Is
buddy.
there anything you want from GameStop? What?
I want
The food is hot.
animal costumes
Mm-hmm.
and no, I want my Sims, and I think Alyssa's getting me animal costumes.
I don't know.
And Boogie Superstar, but that's like
Box.
Well, you got
With the
$50.
microphone.
You got your game charger. You got 20 to Target, so maybe we can go look at games there.
Is that what you want?
What, does he want cake? Oh, he wants a shoebox.
You wanted this shoebox.
Jersey.
Here.
Jersey.
You saving these?
No. Yeah, well, no. Jersey.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Definite baby.
Uh-oh.
Dude, what's your boxy? Pretty cool.
His shoebox.
It's your shoebox.
How was your day, Bit?
good.
You're sad it's not your birthday, huh? But you still got stuff. Pop-Up got you a pretty dress. Your grandparents, you tell your grandparents thank you.
We got a couple of
This comes with a game in it?
Yeah, it comes with a Mario Kart. Your grandparents got you that.
Yes, I
Here's the wheel.
Thank you. Look, you drive all over it.
cake.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Can I put the birthday this?
You have to sit in your chair.
Yeah, you can.
Okay? So which one?
Where's your... Oh, let me get a picture of you.
Here's Savannah.
Whoa.
You get the piece
Look
with
at
the
me.
lunger.
Your bed?
Hold on, I want to picture her in her hat.
Picture.
Please. One more, your hat. Hold on, Bit. Look at Mommy.
Pictures. Pictures.
Just give me a picture of you.
Oh, the tiger.
There you go. Oh, I still got the camera on. That's a pretty cake, huh? $29.99.
You want to put him in the...
No, he won't sit there.
You want to sit in your seat for some ice cream cake?